G'day, here's a small deal randomly scooped from a big bucket of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's mixed fields. There might be a bit of Koroit material in it and the rest of it, I don't know where it's from. We'll go in a bit closer. Okay, the rule's in millimetres, the material's been wetted. This was just randomly scooped out of a bucket and then put onto this table. I haven't put them all up the same way. There's two examples of what you couldn't see. Another piece. And started to be cut. With this sort of material, it's good and bad with it. It looks like it's been rubbed. Potch. Bit of colour there on the end. Little stone. Nice piece of Koroit. You should cut a nice stone. Another. And then there's all these pieces left that are here. Bit of potch with nothing much in it. Little stone perhaps there. Just an interesting pattern. Anyway, I think you've got an idea of what you're looking at for your money. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.